Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused in reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Alondra, and in today's activity, we will be learning how to count money. Let's jump into it.
First, let's start off by going over what some coins and some dollar bills are and how much they are worth in case you forgot. First, we have the quarter, which is worth 25 cents. Next up, we have dimes that are worth 10 cents. Up next, we have the nickel that is worth 5 cents. And then we have the penny that is worth 1 cent. Now let's look at some dollar bills. We have the $1 that looks like this, the $5 that looks like this, the $10 that looks like this, and the last one we are going to be looking at is the $20 that looks like this. Now that we've gone over some review, let's learn how we count money.
Now, before we move on, we need to know that $1 is not the same as 1 cent. $1 is the same as 100 pennies. That's crazy, right? When we write $1, we write it like this. And when we write 1 cent or 1 penny, we write it like this. That is because this sign means cents and this sign means dollars. What is one more way to write cents without using dollar signs? Well, for quarters, which is usually written like this, we could also write it like this. Now, for dimes, which we usually write like this, we could write like this. For nickels that we write like this, we could also write like this. And for pennies that we usually write like this, we would write like that. Now, you may be asking, what if we have more than one coin or one bill at a time? Well, the answer is simple. We add. Now, remember that $1 could also be written like this. So, if you forgot how to add decimals, let's use an example. If we have 1 dime and we have $1, this is how we are going to add them. Now, when you add money, you have to make sure that one decimal point is on top of the other. So you see how this one is on top of this one? Now we add. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. We add the dot. And then 0 plus 1 is 1. And we bring the dollar sign down. So that means that 1 dime plus $1 is $1.10. Let's do an example problem. Let's say we have one water bottle that costs $1 and 1 quarter and 1 penny. Now, we know $1 written like this, 1 quarter is written like this, and 1 penny is written like this. You see how all the decimal points are on top of each other? Now we add straight down. 0 plus 5 plus 1 is 6. 0 plus 2 plus 0 is 2. Add the decimal point. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1. And we add our dollar sign. That means our water bottle costs $1.26. Now let's get into our activity. For this activity, you are going to need some paper of any color, a pencil, a marker, and some scissors. Make sure you have some parental supervision. Okay, first take one of your papers and you're going to use your pencil, but for this case I'm going to use my marker so you can see. And we are going to be cutting shapes today. So our first shape is going to be a flower. So draw your flower out. Now with your scissors, you are going to cut out your flower. Here is my flower that I cut out. Now, with your marker, you are going to write $5, 1/4, and 1 dime. Like this. This means that our flower is going to cost $5, 1/4, and 1 dime. Now, take some time to solve what the flower is going to cost. Did you say $5.35? Amazing! That means our flower costs $5.35. Now we are going to flip our flower over, and using your marker, you are going to write the total amount. Now, we are going to take our piece of paper again, and the next shape we are going to draw is going to be a pencil. Now, take your scissors again and cut out your pencil. Here is my pencil cut out. Now, taking your marker again, you are going to write $1, 1 nickel, 1 penny, and 1 dime. Once again, take some time to solve for this problem and figuring out how much the pencil costs. Did you get $1.16? Yes, that means that the pencil costs $1.16. So once again, flip your pencil over and using your marker, write your total. Great job at counting money, everyone. Now you can look for change in your couch and count how much you have. Thank you for joining us to learn today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos.